Okay, I'm going to try and do a little demo here of the menu system that I've sort of made. It's supposed to be a lightweight system that just sort of makes it easy to build intuitively navigatable menus. It just uses a couple of scripts. We're going to have a base control here. So we've just got a Node 2D, a canvas layer, a control. We're going to give this the menu stack root menu script here. And we're going to give it a menu stack menu button. And we're just going to call this button menu. We're going to name it menu. And then we're going to make some other menus that's going to open. So let's, they can be any kind of thing. Let's make a panel container. I'm going to mix and match a few different types of containers so that we can sort of see the value of that. We're going to move this person over here. We're just going to make it big. Let's ratio. Let's inside this, let's put a margin container. And let's put a VBox container. We can give us some spaces here. And let's add landing button and another landing button. It's fine. And then we are going to add just some regular menu stack menu buttons. Regular button. We're going to say closeout button. Well, yeah, we're going to call it that. That's not quite what it's going to do, but you'll see why. And we're also going to add a cancel button. Menu stack cancel button. This one is going to be just a child of the parent container. We're going to make it small to the top right. We're going to just put an X in there. We're going to go into our, in fact, can we make it wider? Yeah. And we're going to go into our layout. We're going to use our offset transform here. We're going to make this 10 that way, minus 10 that way. We're going to make that not just visual only. Theme overrides. Is there a way to... We're just going to leave it for now. I don't really want it to be translucent, but... well, we can maybe do this. I don't... Style box flat. There we go. Yeah, that's fine. It can just be light like that, and we can go into our colors, and we can go into our font color, and we can make it black. Okay, so now we have that there. And we're going to make a confirmation box. So we're just going to make that, say, a color rect. We're going to make it whatever color we want. Look at this color. We're going to bring that over here. We're going to make it like this. Set those. Let's give us a callback button. Let's going to call this confirm. And then let's add a cancel button. Cancel. We will make this button over here. And we'll make this button over here. And we're just going to do exactly that. We're going to select in here, we're going to select all 4 of these buttons, and we're going to target them all to We do need to give, we need to put the menu stack menu scripts on both this color rect and on this panel container here. Now we're going to select all these buttons. We're going to assign to this color rect. And now we're going to see if it works. Let's go ahead and save our scene as live example 2. Okay, so here we are. We have a menu. We're going to click on it, and it's going to crash immediately. Well, I'm not a huge fan of that. Oh, because I didn't assign it. I didn't assign it to a thing. There should be an assert that fixes that, but I guess we didn't put it in there. Let's try that again. Wait, what am I running here? What's going on? Current scene. Specific, okay. So we're going to click on menu. Okay, so this button, let's back up for a second. Well, as soon as this menu's open, this button's no longer interactable. We can't click through it. This X closes it back to here. We can go back to it. We can click on either of these. If we click confirm, it'll take us back here. If we click on one of these buttons and we click confirm, it takes us back to the root. So we can go here. We can cancel back. We can cancel back. We can go forward. We can go to here. If we confirm it, we're back here. If we go in here on this panel container menu, we can check remember focus. And so now, if we select one of these, and then we click cancel, it remembers what the last one we selected when we navigate to and from it was. Obviously, with these closeout buttons, it's going to close all the way back to the root, but it still remembers when we open it again. This is controller support, so there's some things you're going to want to manually tweak. Like, this is a system that's designed to be extended and expanded. It's not designed to support everything out of the box. But you can either go over here and you can, select that with the controller, or you can hit the UI cancel button by default. So like the escape key will back you out of menus. And as you can see with the controller navigation, I can't navigate to the menus in the background in any way. So you saw how easy this was to configure. There's very little things to configure in the inspector. These scripts are set up to just set themselves up. The buttons know what menu they belong to. And the only thing you have to set is the buttons that open menus, what menu they're going to open. And then if you want to, what you do is you extend these to involve your game logic. So I do have an example of that. If we go to this example here and we run this scene. So this is very similar to what we just had. We do have a quit menu over here, which does just let us quit. But of course we can also cancel away from that. So there's a lot more custom code running in this one. For example, if I go to this item menu, I can go back, go here. If I use this, ask me yes, no, nothing happens. Yes, well, no, we go back to this landing menu. Yes, we close out all the way. If we go to equipment, we've actually got some actual logic here. So if I click on these buttons, it equips the cowboy hat. Says it puts an E next to it. If we go down to helmet, which shows a slot with cowboy hat, and we slip it, we can see that it unequips cowboy hat. If we have an equipped item and we select it, it asks us if we want to unequip it without equipping anything else. And if we say no, we just go back. And if we say yes, we do. So these are landing buttons. Well, it's a landing button if it's equipped. This is dynamically generated. It's a callback button if it's not. And the way that works is the menu buttons can pass their callback forward. Like, this is the same. There's only one confirm menu. The quit button goes to the same menu and it passes a callback that says when you hit yes, you're going to quit the game. And this passes a callback that says when you hit yes, you're going to unequip your cowboy hat. So this is just, some placeholder logic, but it's pretty easy to set up. So that's it. That's the thing that I've made, and I'm gonna keep working on it. There's more to do, but this is gonna be great. I think I'm pretty excited about it, and hopefully other people think this will be cool too.